Here I'm addressing all those students who appeared for their class 12 board exams this time. How are you? Feeling relaxed? Results are going to come out. The larger picture is that as you are stepping out of the school into the college and into the finance world, you will get a shock, believe me. Because you will find that हम लोग क्या पढ़े थे class 11-12 में और रियल लाइफ में क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है. बिलीव मी, व्हेन आई स्पीक टू सो मेनी कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, थर्ड ईयर, एंड आई फाइंड दैट देयर इज अ ह्यूज गैप एंड दे स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग द क्लास 11-12 एजुकेशन दैट दे केम अबाउट. द पॉइंट इज दैट अपने कंप्लेन करने के बजाय सॉल्यूशन ढूंढे. सो इतने सालों से ये प्रॉब्लम देखते देखते मेरे पास तो एक ही सॉल्यूशन है, एक ब्रिज कोर्स. यू आर मूविंग फ्रॉम क्लासरूम टू रियल वर्ल्ड फाइनेंस विद कॉन्फिडेंस. उसके बीच में एक कोर्स रिक्वायर्ड है, बिलीव मी. और दिस कोर्स शुड बी बेस्ड अपॉन व्हाट्स हैपनिंग राइट नाउ. ये जो अपने एआई वर्ल्ड में है, उस एआई का पावरफुल टूल को यूज करते हुए हाउ डू यू नेविगेट बिजनेस, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स, योर पर्सनल फाइनेंस, हाउ डू यू नो द पावर ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स. उसका एक कोर्स डेवलप किया है. वी कंडक्टेड प्राइमरी रिसर्च डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस में स्टूडेंट से बात करते हुए, एंड सम ऑफ द डेटा दैट वी रिसीव्ड वाज 85% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को द पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग का मतलब ही नहीं पता है. दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड दैट समबडी हु स्टार्ट्स इन्वेस्टिंग एट द एज ऑफ से 20 or 22 वर्सेस एट द एज ऑफ 42, द मेन पावर ऑफ कंपाउंडिंग इज मिस्ड आउट. द फैक्ट दैट यू कैन मेक योर वेल्थ 1000 times, 2000 times, दैट्स लेफ्ट आउट. वी हैव फाउंड दैट 72% ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, उन्होंने कभी सैलरी स्लिप देखा ही नहीं है. उनको सीटीसी का ब्रेकअप ही नहीं पता है. सो व्हेन दे सिट बिफोर समबडी टू नेगोशिएट देयर पैकेज, दे आर एट अ डिसएडवांटेज बिकॉज आपको तो ब्रेकअप ही नहीं पता, आप क्या नेगोशिएट करोगे. एंड बिलीव मी, इट इज ट्रू. इफ you have some bhaiyas or didis, you do ask them, and a meager 5 to 8% students are very active in college में entrepreneurial cell and other clubs वगैरह में, and उनमें से half of them or 25% of them are the ones who hold out. I know certification programs are very very important. आपको आगे जाके CFA करना ही चाहिए, but college में confidence के साथ approach करना, trying to stand as an outlier, straight away being taken into all the clubs at the decision making level, this will require that you be prepared for the hard life ahead. और इसके लिए we are launching a program, a very short program called Prudential Excel Money and AI powered decision making. और इस program में we are trying to bridge the gap between what you know as a result of your class 11-12 and what you got to know before entering the field of finance and college. Believe me, इस program में we have 3 modules in this program. One is on personal finance. The second is on money and protection. Protection matlab protection from inflation, protection from insurance. And the third is wonderful. That third is on business and investment insights. How do you pick up a startup? How do you actually approach Shark Tank? How do you analyze companies and build your portfolio? How do you form mini investment deck, business model profiling of a company? Now these are stuff that you are going to do in college. You are going to do in various competitions. You got to know it now only. So personal finance, money and protection, and the third part is business and investment insights. ये पूरा का पूरा AI powered होगा, Excel के help से होगा, and this will be done in a case study scenario, which means that there will be 2 case studies, one Indian company, one foreign company. So one will be solved in the classes or in the lectures, and the other case study is the one which will be given for you to apply your own brains. So there are 2 case studies per session will take place. There are altogether 15 case studies, 15 sessions. These sessions are going to start, or the course is going to start from the 3rd May. It will take place on Saturday, Sunday at around 10:30. That's the time when we do the sessions every day. So Saturday, Sunday, these sessions will take place. A total of 15 sessions starting from 3rd of May. Believe me, you complete these sessions by the mid of June and you will find that as you enter the college, आप फोड़ दोगे. You will be a differentiator because you know everything. If you compare to your peers, others, you will find that they don't know. तो मेरा जितना अंडरस्टैंडिंग है फाइनेंस का और जो मैं लैक देखता हूँ बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स हु have studied 11-12 and are entering college, the type of economics they have done, commerce that they have studied, that's not enough. That's very theoretical, boring. You need to apply it practically. और ये program उसी के बारे में है, and it is using the latest tools. You will get all the 15 case studies, you will get all the Excel templates, you will get all the AI ka prompts. We will use whatever AI tools are right now popular, whether it's Notebook or Claude or GPT or Gemini for the purpose of telling you how do you use these tools for the purpose of augmenting your intelligence and your thought. Because AI for me is not artificial intelligence. AI is augmented intelligence. It augments whatever judgment and capacity and decision-making skills you already have. So join this program, Prudentia, Excel, Money and AI-powered decision-making, and you will find you'll be a totally different beast as you enter the college.